Hello, good afternoon, Philippines, and all over the world. This is the new terminal port. C. C. Terminal port. So, this is the cargo's truck ride to the birds. From here, this is the Mangino Calbayog City, Western Samar. My pride is to giving a news for you how improve our city. So this is, I think, is have help develop for Calbayog. You know, all the business minded, please come over in the Calbayog City and hurry up to inquire the lot for your business. This is the good situation here in the Calbayog City. This is the hidden secret for business. Now this is the new develop of for business for you. Okay, thank you guys. Bye.